Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab A11 and let me share with you how to clear cache and thanks to it speed up your device a little bit. So all we have to do is to open the settings. So let's stop. Here in this left section we have to scroll down and find the option apps. And right here we've got the list of all apps which are currently installed on this device. And to release some memory, we have to remove cache. So what I highly recommend to do is to go through all of those apps, enter them. So for example, in my case, this secure folder, and then scroll down to find this usage section and tap on storage. As you can see here, we've got this cache section, and cache, I'm not sure if you know, but cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of this device, so you can freely remove them. What I highly recommend to do is to tap on clear cache and your device will immediately remove it. I do not recommend tapping on clear data unless you wish to have this folder completely brand new. It's completely up to you, of course. So as I said, go through all of those apps and remove cache, thanks to which you will be able to speed up your device. Moreover, you can also go to the device clear here. It is right above the apps, and tap on optimize now, for example, or enter the memory and close the background apps, so it will temporarily remove the memory and make your device faster. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.